Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Transit 250. The Transit 250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, brake assist, traction control, stability control, tires front all season, tires rear all season, four-wheel disc brakes, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, variable speed, intermittent wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.